Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. I thought we'd take a look through their party section. Let's see what they have. Okay, so here we have some of these hanging decorations, and these come in colors, which I think is really nice when you're decorating all the way to the top. Okay, then they have these tinsel garlands. These look like pom-poms right here. And these are the tinsel ones. And those also come in colors. I never seen those before. Okay, very nice. So these are new to this Dollar Tree. Then along the bottom you have the paper shreds. Some of them are the shiny ones. Here's the silver and here's the gold. Then you have the paper shreds. And those also come in colors. Then you have your bags, and these are the plain ones, and those also come in multicolor and multi-size, so that's pretty neat. Then you have tons of tissue paper. You can either get those in the multicolor or the white. Some of these have speckles on them, but I know they have the plain ones. Then we get into their bags that you can use for any occasion. Like these you can use like for a wedding, maybe like this one. Then they have the silver one right here, or any celebration. It's so nice. Look at that one. Then they have the iridescent bag along the top, and then we get into the birthday. Isn't that pretty for a boy's birthday party? It's a big bag. Okay, so you have that one. This is a smaller one. It says happiest birthday. Then they have these kind. So that's pretty neutral. I like this cupcake one. Look at this one. That one says happy birthday back there. Happy birthday ever, or best birthday ever. So this Dollar Tree is near my home. I definitely have a lot of selections. And then they have the stakes that you can place outside. So here we have like a tower of tape. That comes in handy. I'm really liking these bags. So these bags are new to this Dollar Tree here. So you have that design right there. Then you have this design. Isn't that pretty? Then you have these shiny ones. This is my favorite color, blue. I love that color. So they have this bag. That one says blast. Isn't that nice? That one says happy birthday. And then you have the striped one. So it doesn't have to be a specific occasion. So I do like the fact that they have the bags and with nothing on them, no saying on them. So these are the bags I showed you earlier. This is like an all occasion bag. So you have that style, and you have this style is really pretty. I like that style. And they have this one I just showed you, that one. So I'm liking those because those are all occasion. So now I'm noticing, they have the giant bags here, and they have designs on them. Like that one says happy birthday, no, hip hip hooray. And then this is the candles. Okay, but these I'm noticing, I don't think I saw these before. So this says congratulations. This one says happy birthday. These are so nice, like to hang. That one says bride to be, miss to Mrs. Isn't that nice? Let me see if I can push these bags back. I'll just put them down. Miss to Mrs. is really sweet. Bride to be, congratulations, happy birthday. So those are really nice. It's the whole wall there. Then they have these kind of bags. So these are like with the little star punch out here instead of the handle. And then they have the gift boxes. And this is a tissue paper that says hip hip hooray. And then look at that one. So those are nice. These have balloons on them, and there's the blue stripe. So the tissue paper, and then these are the banners. Then on the top, and they always, look at how stocked they are with these bows. So beautiful. I'm just going to scan those for you. in all colors, all design. Look at the wrapping paper. So this is the hip hip hooray right here. And then these are the balloons. These are the shiny ones. Then they have the basket bags. These are nice all year round if you want to make a basket for someone, maybe for a birthday. And then they even have the craft paper one. This one says baby girl. Isn't that nice? They even have the wedding ones along the bottom there. Very nice. I like the curly ribbon. We have the 2-pack of the gift bags. And again, there's no specific print on these, so you can use them for any occasion, which is really nice, convenient. And they also have the basket bags in the red. So here they have loop bags. Look at these loop bags. E-cake, birthday party. That's nice. And these are really nice too. I like these. These are favor boxes. They look like little Chinese takeout boxes. They're so nice. So now we get into the tablecloths, the plain ones in the multicolor. They have the kids party plates. That looks like the truck party plate. And there's the BAM and WHAM. And here are the napkins to match. I don't think I've ever seen this style here before, so I'm glad, because that's like for older kids. Okay, and those are the paper plates. Then we get into these, like I never saw this before, this must be new. The happy birthday with the taco, the ice cream, the pizza, and the burger. These are new to this Dollar Tree. That's nice. That's very fun. Then they have the smaller napkins. Now, I don't see the paper plates yet, but here is the treat bags. I like that. Then they always have the princess crown, and I think I see, here's the unicorn. And then they have the paper plates right down here to match. I think that's so nice. Then these are the party boxes. And then here is the party sash for the princess. And here's the little award ribbon. Oh, look, here is the blowouts with the ice cream, the pizza, the taco. Isn't that adorable? Okay, and then here are your treat bags. And look, they even have the crown tablecloths. So here they have the star, and then they have party favors that you can put inside their little treat bags. And here the crown, the tiaras for the little girls. So then they have this kind. This just says happy birthday. So that's pretty neutral for boy and girl. And then they have the photo frame. I like this. And then here is the chair cover. Isn't that nice? It says happy birthday. Here's a tissue centerpiece. And look, they have the emoji. So you can even have an emoji party. Very nice. Here are the paper plates. And here are the blowouts. Here's the centerpiece. And here are just emoji decorations. The letter banner, happy birthday. And here it is with the tinsel. And then they have, because it's kind of all mixed in, this is like for football. 10 invitations. Anyway, here are the emoji party boxes, and here is the banner for the happy birthday for the girl. And this is the dinosaur stuff. So these are the napkins. I'm not sure where the paper plates are, but the napkins for the football is down there. These are also very neutral. For a boy, maybe. I say they're pretty neutral. You can even use this for adults. Okay. These are the foam wands. Aren't they nice? And then I love these. Look at these. The diamond ring. Anything diamond. I love. That is so cute. And then these are the little like horns. Balloon. Here's the Lego. So you can have like a Lego party. There's the plain balloon one and the football cups. I like these. And there's the tablecloths for the Legos, the party ones. I'm just going to scan some of this for you. And then these glasses, the Novelty glasses. Okay. And these are balloons right here. Look at these. Then along the top you have those. I'm not sure if that's leftover Christmas stuff, but I like these. These are the popsicles. Then they have these kind of paper plates. I like these. And then they have these napkins, some paper platters. And then here are the toys for the little treat bags. So you can definitely have a party inexpensive here, because you get a 4-pack. Look at this of the Lego, these Legos, and I think they split open. They're like little containers. Then they have, what are these? The little frog. I'm not sure what these are. They look like little frogs. Then they have these and those. These are like glow surprises. They're race cars. And this is balloon glue. I didn't even know we had balloon glue. Maybe that's new. And then look at the emoji, little favors and the little animals. And out here, over here is all gift boxes in all sizes and all shapes. And here's all the balloons. This is really nice. Okay. Then you come over here and you have the party poppers and confetti. And these are favor boxes that look like popcorn containers. And this right here I never seen before. So this is a unicorn. Look at that. I'm loving that white and gold. And look at the pink. Isn't that beautiful? And this sash right here says it's my birthday. Isn't that nice? That is so sweet. This one says happy birthday. That one's, these are photo backgrounds. And then you have the necklaces, like this one here says happy birthday. And then you have the beads. And these are balloons they love. Okay, and felt garland. Look at this one. And this one. So then you have more paper bags over here. And the roses. These roses are new. But this is getting into the wedding stuff. So this is the party section over here for birthday parties for kids, and their accessories like the bows and the gift wrap and even your tape and tissues and all of that. So guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to check out their party section, and I'll see you in the next video.